Hi, my name is Bill with Elasco Products, and today we're here to show you some of our unique product features. Today we're going to be showing you our low-profile Ultra Guard protectors, our Mighty Guard protectors, our Light Guard protectors, as well as our Drop Overs. Our Elasco Drop Overs come in 4 different sizes and come standard in red or black colors. Our Light Guard collection comes in sizes of 1 3/8 or smaller. Our Mighty Guard collection comes in sizes of 2 inches or greater. Our cable protectors come in a black base and orange lid and are offered from 1 channel all the way up to 7 channels. One of the unique features of our Mighty Guard and Light Guard protectors is that the lid seals into the base of the product. This prevents the lid from curling up and creating a trip hazard. Our heavy-duty Ultra Guard protectors come in 5 and 7 channels and can withstand up to 20,000 pounds of pressure per tire. The Ultra Guard is also the only protector in the industry that comes with a push-button lid that, when closed, remains securely shut. Our Ultra Guard collection is now also available in an ADA-compliant ramp. Elasco has recently launched our glow-in-the-dark cable protectors, available in multiple sizes. These self-charging products only need 10 seconds of natural light to fully charge and will hold their glow throughout the night. To learn more about our high-quality, made in the USA products, please visit us at elascoproducts.com.